start off by saying Dayana did my hair. Her Instagram is at daydohair. And I just really wanted to do this video because a lot of people don't know how to maintain their edges, and they take their braids out prematurely when they do have dramatic edges because they just don't know how to maintain it. So now the braids look old. I'm going to tell y'all right now, this video was filmed 3 weeks after I got my braids done. So it's not like, oh, her braids are fresh, that's only whatever. This video was literally taken like 3 days ago. My braids already here were already 3 weeks old, basically. So yeah, I did these myself. Those weren't how like she did my edges. And mind you, I don't do them exact same of how she did them, but they still look good in a different way. And I just wanted y'all, I just want to spread my knowledge to y'all because I feel like it makes a huge difference. And I just feel like dramatic edges are cute. And I feel like if you're scared to get them because you don't know how to maintain them, this is the video for you. I don't know why I'm stuttering so bad, but this is just a video of like her doing my hair and how it originally looked compared to like how I'm about to show y'all a clip of how my edges look when I ended the video. You can tell it's not the exact same, but it still looks really good in my own way. You know what I'm saying? But I feel like this is very detailed, and again, you'll learn a lot from this video. Hey y'all, it's Tianashannell, and I'm back with another edge video, and this is just gonna be how to fix your edges once you already have like the dramatic edges and they start looking crazy with the braids. These are for people that are scared to get dramatic edges because they know they can't maintain it. So I'm gonna show y'all how to maintain it. So once it start getting like greasy and stuck like this, bro, don't piss me off. Once it starts getting greasy and like, this is when it's time to just let it go. So what you want to do is wash your edges. Yeah, I said wash. Mint wash. And I'm gonna use this shampoo, and this is all I do. Take some water, just wet them. Pre-wet them. And you probably, not gonna lie, is gonna do this at least like once a week if you want them to stay looking good. And sometimes even more than once a week if you end up using too much product one day to where it just get greasy. But this is what comes with the dramatic edge lifestyle. Don't look at my nails. Okay, so this looks crazy, but wet the edges. After you wet it, you're gonna take some shampoo, put some water on it, and then you're just gonna wash your edges. This is the key part to maintaining it, especially if you're gonna keep on putting product in your hair. You got to wash them edges. To think that I never used to wash my edges before when I had braids, it's kind of crazy now. But I guess because I didn't have that much out for me to do. But still. Okay. You just want to rinse as much as you can off your face, and then I go on with like a old washcloth and just get any remainder shampoo out with a damp washcloth. I don't really blow dry my edges. I literally just do other shit while it dries. So I'm about to wash my face. I already brushed my teeth, but put some chapstick on, do all that, and hopefully by the time I'm done, it's gonna be dry for me to start curling them. That's all that matters. Okay, got a pimple right here. Okay, so once your edges are dry, you want to take your mini flat iron, and this is the Red Kiss pencil mini flat iron. Just curl. I do as many curls as I want swoops, if that makes sense. I'm not doing like 1,000 curls. Like each curl is a swoop, if that makes sense. I might have fucked that one up. Right. Right. Let me shut up. Ouch. This low-key burnt my forehead. It's okay. I'm just curl this in because I know how I want it to swoop. I don't need the whole thing curl for real. So y'all see the curls. Yeah. Get your edge toothbrush and the edge toothbrush. Get some Got2b spray and whatever edge control works best for you, but I love this edge booster. So what you're gonna do is spray. Ooh, shit. You know when the shit get on the Got2b and it starts spraying everywhere because it's like gunk on it? I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. Right, like this. I think recently I accidentally be spraying too much. And you just wanna hold and swoop. You see how easy that was? And mind you, this is not enough hold for me, but it's good because it lets me like swoop it and style it without adding too much product and making it too greasy. So this look about good. So I'm gonna put this is literally such a small amount, and I only really place it at the roots because I still want it to give like fluffy towards the end. Okay. You do the same process with every swoop. Spray it. I'm gonna pat it off a little bit because like I said, I have been spraying too much lately. Get that extra hair out the way. I think I'm gonna yeah. So I'm gonna not just do a regular swoop. I'm gonna whatever, so I'm gonna just put it at the base right now. some edge control right here. Right? Kinda. I'm a perfectionist. It look good, but like, it's a piece that's gappy. Okay. And then to secure it, since this is like a slope going up, I'm gonna put a little at the base of the swoopy, so it can kind of still stick, but and stuff like that. Right. Okay, this is just gonna be a regular swoop. No, nothing about this is gonna be special. Okay, and then I'm gonna start. I see that. I'm gonna try to do all of it on camera. Keyword is try. Okay. Cute. And I like to do this side. Wait. Go down, up, then that way. But so again, let's spray it. But I just know neither one of the sides for my edges is like the same, so it's not really about making both sides look identical, but giving it the same type of vibe.
I really have a skin care since she got me on. You're in the back now, I hope you know that. But yeah, like literally. And then her dad's right, you know.
It still looks good. I'm not gonna stress myself out. This is the final product. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye. Love y'all. This is it without the pigtails, even though I already said bye. But I don't know how I want to style my hair. And y'all, I do have like bohemian knotless. And I kind of wash the hair. So I'm about to curl now. What you call it? Cause you wonder where I've been. I want to do something besides weird in the middle part. Yesterday, you heard me? I might wear my hair like this. This needs to go somewhere. Like this looks stupid. It looks too frail. Let me look a little stupid from this side. I don't know, but this is the actual factual ending. Bye, love y'all.